Hey, what's going on, everybody? Micro Scale Garages, another vlog right after that weird vlog of me talking to the camera. I was like, wait a minute, I do have something to talk about. I could talk about this. The TRX-4 front motor conversion kit. Yeah, I want this so bad. This is sweet. Looks like it's got a, I don't know if that's a lower battery tray, but yeah, it's not really that low. I'm gonna have to design a low battery. Everybody's designing low battery trays. I'm gonna have to try and see if I can make one. It's all metal gears, wire extenders, little tiny little shaft, a metal. I think a lot of people have that metal GRC metal cover. It's made by GRC. That looks sick. And if I could just fit that motor that I made in there, oh man. See, that looks real good. That looks sweet. Yeah. Yeah, that looks sweet. The servo sits right there. So you could kind of turn the servo into a radiator, I guess. Well, no, the TRX-4 Defender body has a radiator, molded radiator. Yeah, that looks nice. Yeah, I really like that a lot. I like that setup. I had found it on, I saw it on eBay. But yeah, that's it. That's just that's the motor mount right there. Yeah, I'm gonna try and save up for it. I think on eBay I seen it for like $90 to $100 or something like that. Or Asia Tees might have it. Asia Tees might have it. I'm not for sure. But yeah, this is gonna be sweet. Alright, you guys. Peace out. God bless. I'll see you guys in the next video.